To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The Securities Commission Malaysia charged a former unit trust consultant at the Kuala Lumpur Sessions Court for offences relating to securities fraud involving purported unit trust investments. The perpetrator, who has been at large since the 29th of July 2025, was apprehended on the 4th of September 2025. The SC had listed him as a wanted person since the 8th of August 2025 after obtaining a warrant of arrest against him. India's securities regulator has introduced new rules to simplify requirements for foreign investors in government bonds effective the 8th of February 2026. Under the new rules, foreign investors buying only government bonds will not need to disclose their investor group details, as the securities carry low risk, the Securities and Exchange Board of India says in a circular on the 10th of September. The changes are intended to attract more long-term overseas participation in India's sovereign debt market, SEBI says. China unveiled measures to boost services consumption, pledging to further open sectors such as internet and culture and to encourage the hosting of international sports events in a bid to support the slowing economy. Chinese economists and policy advisors have called for stepping up support for the country's burgeoning services sector to boost consumption, which top leaders made a priority this year to spur growth amid US tariff disputes. Almost a third of UK investors aged over 55 have never heard of exchange-traded funds, compared with just 8% of investors in the 18 to 34 age bracket, according to a new survey. The blind spot is indicative of a lack of understanding and awareness of the fast-growing ETF format that appears to be holding back many older, lower-income and female investors from the fund structure, said the Investment Association, which carried out the study. The Federation of Investment Managers Malaysia has issued public reprimands against 7 former consultants of unit trust and private retirement schemes. 6 were found to have submitted falsified academic certificates during their registration, while another was found to have misled an investor and misappropriated the investor's funds. FIMM said the disciplinary committee reached its decision after reviewing the circumstances of each case. The organization added that these reprimands serve as a reminder that misconduct will not be tolerated and that all consultants must comply with FIMM's rules to safeguard investors. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its latest annual report, now available on its official website. Link in the description. The FIMM annual convention is back, and registration is now open. Be part of the conversations shaping the unit trust industry's future. Reserve your seat today and get ready for a day of insights, connections, and forward vision.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.